TikTok is currently the fastest growing social media platform and it beats all the others in terms of engagement and organic reach. If you're not on TikTok now, you are falling behind. Get on it now.
The 3 TikTok accounts you need to follow are Some Good News by John Krasinski, because that cheer you up every day, National Geographic, and maybe Levi's, because their content is so diversified that they manage to grow a community on TikTok in a short amount of time.
The biggest mistake can be if you don't take into consideration your storytelling of your video to be relevant to the TikTok codes. The second one can be if you don't work your editorial line and don't have a team uniformity.
The first tip is that you need to be consistent and regular with your posts. You also need to put some relevant hashtags, and most importantly, you have to put some storytelling into your videos to keep the users entertained.
To be efficient, create a content factory by determining your pillar content. It can be a podcast, a blog, a long video, a live, and after that, do micro content.